Hello everyone, this video is regarding the Leetcode question duplicate zeros number 1018. It is an easy Leetcode question. So I will be going over the problem description and I will writing the code for the problem solution and explain about the time complexity and the space complexity. Okay. Given a fixed length of array ARR of integers, duplicate each occurrence of 0, shifting the remaining elements to the right. Note that elements beyond the length of the original array are not returned. Do the above modifications to the input array in place. Do not return anything from your function. So they want to duplicate the zeros and it should be done in place. So let's go over the example. It's the input array is 102304550 and output is null because we are not returning anything. And after calling your function, the input array is modified to the 0. This particular 0 is duplicated to the next index and the relative elements is being moved to the right. So they are like right shifted basically. So duplicate zeros and the elements are shifted to the right. Okay. So that makes the output array will be the 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0 is again duplicated and 4. So based on this statement, note that elements beyond the length of the original array are not returned. We are ignoring 5 and 0 in the output array. Okay. So let's go to example 1, 2, 3. After calling your function, the input array is modified to 1, 2, 3 because there are no zeros. The output will be 1, 2, 3. And array length is between 1 to 10,000 and the integers within the array will be between 0 to 9. Okay, so let's start writing the code. So for this, we need to traverse through the array. So let's do it for the while loop. I is less than length. If I is equal to, if the element is 0, then we just shift the elements from 2 to the end. So we are only, if the element is 0 at the index 1, then we are right shifting all the elements to the right. So that means like we need to create a space for the 0, duplicate 0. So it will be 0, 0, and all the elements will be moved right. So that means we have to right shift all the elements. So if we hit array of I is equal to 0, then we will, since we are doing it for n number of elements, it will be better if we write this in a function so we can reuse it often. Right, this one. So since we need to right shift from the index +1, which is I plus 1, I am passing the I plus 1 and the array. And then since this will be taken by another 0, we have to increment the index to I will be plus equal. That's it. Okay, and let's basically have another function, right, which will be this, as we're calling like right index we will have another pointer. So The key point here is to right shift the elements, right? So it would be a better idea if, since we don't know, like we have to put 2 in the 3 position, 3 in the 0 position, 0 in the 4th position, 4 in the 5th position, 5 position, 5 in the 0 position. So this is kind of hard to track. So we will be coming from the back. It would be easy to traverse from behind the array, from back of the array, and slowly replace the elements from 5 will be replacing, 0 will be replaced by 5, 5 will be replaced by 4, 4 will be replaced by 0, 0 will be replaced by 3, 3 will be replaced by 2. So that's the reason I'm having my j equal to array dot length minus 1, since we are traversing from back of the array. We'll have another while loop is greater than or equal to I. Array of j is equal to array of j minus 1. Then j minus minus. So this will take care of right shift from 2 to 0. And once we are done with this, we will increment I to I plus 2. If array of I is not equal to 0, then that will be taken care. We are just incrementing by 1. And that's it. Let's run the code. Sorry, it's not equal to, it's just assigning, we are assigning. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. Yep, and then let's submit it. Yeah, runtime in 16 milliseconds faster than 26.48 Java online submissions. Let's discuss time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity will be O of n, since we are traversing n number of the elements, and space complexity will be O of 1, because we are doing this in place. So O of 1 and the time complexity will be O of n. I hope you understood the solution. Hope you like the video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.